what I want to do in this particular webinar is I want to discuss client care generally, but client care letters specifically. And I want to ask 4 key questions. What does your firm currently do? Does it work? Why do you do it? And do you want to change? And I think the answers to those questions broadly has been, will we send out loads of letters to clients? Does it work? No, they never read them. Why do I do it? Because somebody said I had to. Do you want to change? Please give me some clues as to how I can do it better. That, I think, is the broad approach. So I just wanted to sort of discuss it from start to finish, really, and just discuss how we could perhaps improve things. But if we're going to be writing all that anyway, why don't we go the whole hog and mention absolutely everything else as well, which is, of course, the tendency. But I think we could think about our terms and conditions in some way and include service aspirations. Okay, the service level agreement is that I'll ring you every Friday at 3:00. But if you have queries in the meantime, of course, I'll do my best to be available to you. If I'm not, speak to my secretary or speak to some other member of the team, in default, because they'll know as much about it as I do. And obviously, we'll try to get the answer to you as quickly as possible, kind of thing. It's an aspiration, but there's no harm in saying it. Now, the Law Society said back in 1990 that long and tedious documents may well not be helpful. So why do we send long and tedious documents to the unhelped client? Statistics suggest that the average British adult reads for between 8 and 15 seconds. So if you haven't got them in the first 3 paragraphs, you may as well ignore the rest of the paperwork. How do we grab and keep their attention? How do we impart this key information?